on audio?
Uh-huh.
Hey Dana, or whoever we showing this to, we're in Holts Corner, Tennessee right now, and we currently have a CSX coal train stopped here. We don't really know what's gonna go on. We just saw a train coming down this tractor right here, or tractor track, whatever you call it. And yeah, so
and there's a dead animal next to him.
yeah.
It's roadkill for supper.
And this is my first time, you guys saw, I just got to touch a train for the first time, which I've always wanted to do.
I don't believe you. Go do it again.
Okay.
Yay!
This is crazy.
Don't step on that armadillo.
All right.
Rest in peace.
Yeah, rest in peace, armadillo. Look at this. There's a storm rolling in that way. Crossing is active. We are currently trapped. This is in Holts Corner, Tennessee. We actually found this is Holts Corner. We thought this was part of Chapel Hill, but obviously it's not. This is where Flat Creek Road is, which I'm sure you guys are familiar with. We have a General Steel Type 2 electronic bell. And this is crazy, guys. Look at this, I'm being able to touch a train. Yeah. That is all. All right. Hey, let's go ahead and end the video.